Hi everyone, thanks for joining in for another Seek Science Club video. And today we are going to build a do-it-yourself climbing robot. Yay! Now let's get started.
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Well, a robot, it exhibits human-like behavior. So just like when you go to a store, if you see a robot that's moving around and say, hey, can I take your order? It's exhibiting a behavior of a human that would ask you the same thing. Or if it's doing something, if you go to the doctor's office and you see that the doctors are using machines to help them with surgery. So they're exhibiting human-like behavior. And that's what a robot is, except it's not a human, it's a what? Machine. First, you need to make sure you purchase one of our STEM kits, which is called Seek Science Club. It is an initiative to bring STEM activities to your home that are affordable and engaging. Let's get started. First things first, you're gonna have your kit, it'll come with more than one activity in the STEM box, and some of them will only have one activity depending on what it is. Open your kit. You have your pieces here in wood. You also have your string so that your robot can climb on it. And then you have your screws and your motor. And of course, you need a screwdriver. So let's get started. The first things first, you want to take out the pieces that look like the body, these two pieces. So I'm going to take these out first. And then I want to grab my motor because that's what I need. This is the motor. So I want to have my motor down this way. And then if you notice the little ears here, you want them to be facing upward, okay? And on the sides, you have two open spaces. So I am going to take out the front and the back, my motor. And now I want to take out this part, not this yet. This part is for the side of your robot. And so now let's build the body part, just the body. All right, so now you have the body on. Yay, we did it. Now we need to grab the bottom parts. So these small little pieces, because we're gonna have to screw some things on, okay? All right, so you're gonna take this and then you're gonna put it here. Take this flat screw. Remember what I always say, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey here? You're gonna do it on both sides. All right, next things next. We're gonna build the arms and we're gonna add the axles for the arms. So you're gonna take out these two circle pieces. And they are going to go on the side. All right, now it looks like this. Now we are going to make the hands. Yay! So you're gonna take out these two long pieces, all right? Find your two claws, okay? You have your two hands. The long slits are gonna be at the bottom because they have this for the feet. And then you have two circles that are gonna be upward at the top. And you're gonna put the screw in those two holes there. So it's gonna look like this, all right? All right, so now you have the claw that's gonna go up and down on this slit. It'll go up and down. And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Next, add your battery holder. Take your battery holder, put it here. See that? And now, there are prongs on you have two prongs on your motor. The other piece of wire is gonna go inside the same prongs that look like the ones on your battery. They're right here, okay? All right, now it is connected. Now we're gonna add the batteries. Once you add the batteries, let's test it to see if it actually works. Flip your switch down, voila, you have it. Now, let's put it on a string to see if it actually climbed the string. There you have it, your climbing robot.